Good afternoon. Now I'm finding out the problem with the Oregon line. Now, I switched to the Oregon line after that one tough cleanup where I was breaking off the Husqvarna titanium when I was hitting the, well, you know, it wasn't weeds exactly. It was like little sucker trees and stuff coming up. And it was breaking off the titanium, Husqvarna titanium gray line. And then I went to that Oregon line and had real good results on that kind of situation. But now I'm on a different scenario, and I found out what the problem is with the Oregon line. And this is a problem that I probably can't use it. I probably won't be able to use it on a daily stuff. So when I'm cutting in a new edge like this, what I do is I'll take my blade edger and come down, and it'll leave about 6 inches of sawed there. And then what I do is I come back with the string trimmer at an angle where the head is digging in, and it lifts the sawed out at the line. Well, I'll just do it. I'll do it a little bit to show you. So basically the problem is, I don't know if that came on the camera or not. The problem is doing that angle and then hitting it where the string is pushing that away from you and out, is melting off the line at the eyelet on the Oregon line. So the Oregon line's no good either, because that's something I do on a regular basis. I come in with the angle steeply that way, and it's spinning this way, and it kicks the dirt out away from the hard-edged groove, or removes sod. See, a lot of times I like to hear all the way down there was actual sod, but I'll put that weed eater at an angle, 20 degree angle, 30 degree angle, and I'll F that out of there, with the string. And every time it comes around at that angle, it's pushing up a little bit at the eyelet, and for some reason the composition of this string, it won't work. It just melts off at the eyelet within a foot. So that's I don't know what I'm going to do now. All right, I gotta get this finished up. We'll talk to you later.